at here, look at here. However, we have two new members today. One is Shiva, which you couldn't do it to the India, and one is there at the Grace. Yay! Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Today we are going to the TepFactor in JBR with the India team. I hope you will like the enjoy. Are you ready for activity?
Sure. Yes.
Everybody ready?
Very sure.
Okay, that is the location. Woo! So TepFactor is located in JBR. It's kind of like a skip room with 21 challenge, and it's good for adults, plus it's activities as well. If you come with the car, you can park here next to the Rock Cinema, and you will get a free parking for 3 hours. You see the board? TepFactor! Team India is here again with a slide, with the new member Grace, and the other member Shiva. Yeah. She's, I think, come fast. And these two is the one who's thinking they are very strong and they're gonna win this challenge, but they don't know they are losing so soon. This is TepFactor. TepFactor Dubai, located in JBR. Guys, this is the TepFactor. Team name. Guys, let's have two captains. Two captains will pick up their teams one by one. That will be the easiest way. So let's take one lady captain, one male captain. No, you. So no, you're the captain. And I make it so hard. Alright, so guys, we have to choose two teams. Write down the names in each team, and then the master of the team will get this key.
This is the captain of masters.
Thank you. Thank you. And of course, we know we are the winner. Stay tuned. Loser number 1, loser number 2, loser number 3.
Just your logic. This one is for patience.
Patience.
Yeah,
You need to have patience.
And the last one is for fitness.
For sure. My God.
I like this one.
This is the toughest thing.
How about patience?
Patience? Okay.
He's just giving up before the game starts.
Oh,
I'm focused on blue. Where are the blue?
A slide on the wall, blue.
Yeah, you go, come on. 3 buttons at the same time. What are the buttons?
There's a button. There's a button.
Yes. This one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Go. Easy, easy. Relax. One by one. Perfect. Perfect.
I want to go. Wait.
There. Oh, okay, okay. Relax. Very good. When you are there, you have to stop. Wait for me, I will join. Go. I am here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, we choose bronze. Okay. Now we have to pass by here, go here, go here. I don't know, guys. I cannot take your video. Sorry.
Okay.
Let's put it here for fun. Let's see what we are doing. Tell me when I go.
Okay.
Slide next to me.
Okay, next to you.
Be careful your head. Master. Master, I finished. I start master. I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, go on.
Somebody touched the cable again. I don't. The problem is the touching the cable, not the time. Gold, okay? Where is white? Okay. The cable Daniel, be careful the cables. I know we have 30 seconds.
No, master.
Come on, 30. 35, 33, 32, 31, 30. 15, come on, Aaron, please. Watch the cable. 10. Easy. See, come on, give me color.
No, red.
Yes. 2, 1, Team Master. Go. Numbers. Take your time, relax. Wait. 16?
Yes.
Then?
I cannot see the other one.
I think it's 4. So 3, 4, 6, 7, Master. 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay.
I'm gonna get it now.
Orange. It's orange. Here. Yes.
Aaron, we are doing
Yeah! 1, 2, 3. Okay, go down. Aaron. Guys, the battery of my GoPro is finishing. We just want to do the skill job. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I'm so sorry I couldn't take more videos. Battery is over.
Kill us for the bone. I remember.
Look at this. Team Alibaba 51. Team Master. Guys, I'm recording from my phone. I don't know how can I put this back. Here we are with the Grace, Muhammad,
now we are full.
Team India.
We are
We just
full.
finished eating in Chili's. It was good. Okay. But the only problem here was Master Team is the victory of this game. Stay tuned. Only victory!
Why you are happy?
Team loser!
Guys,
Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment. The live is open. Almost everybody was watching what I'm saying. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm sorry if the quality is different because I'm now recording with my phone. Stay tuned and see you soon. Don't forget to do something that makes your heart beat fast.